Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Defense News by Sakib. Today we will know why Myanmar buys sy400 short-range ballistic missiles from China. So let's start. Recently it was reported that Myanmar is receiving the first batch of sy400, also called DF-12A short-range ballistic missiles system from China, thus becoming the second user of the sy400 guided rocket artillery. It is believed that the introduction of sy400 ballistic missile system will enhance the long-term strike capability of the Myanmar army. It was reported that Qatar became the first user of sy400 ballistic missiles as in 2017. Qatar showed sy400 ballistic missile. However, Qatar chose BPU-12A tactical ballistic missiles instead of guided rockets. It is still unknown whether Myanmar is receiving guided rockets or BP-12A tactical ballistic missiles. sy400 is a new generation ballistic missiles developed by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, mainly used for long-range precision fire strikes. According to Chinese military analyst Zhao Fizhu, the biggest feature of sy400 ballistic missile system is the use of a vertical launch system, which is the first time in the history of development of rocket launchers in the world. The biggest advantage of the vertical launch system compared with the traditional tilting directional device of a rocket launcher is that it can attack in all directions at any time, and there is no need to rotate the directional director like a traditional rocket launcher. Therefore, there is no need to install height and direction machines, and the structure of the rocket launcher is simplified. Of course, the disadvantage is that the design of the rocket is relatively complicated, and it is necessary to increase the relay inertial navigation system and thrust vector so that the rocket can quickly turn to the predetermined target after the rocket is launched. According to public information from Zhuhai Air Show, the sy400 rocket is about 6 meter length and 0.4 meters in diameter. Each launching vehicle is equipped with 8 launcher containers. The maximum range for a 300 kg warhead is 150 km, and for a 200 kg warhead is 200 km. The specification has been able to surpass the US ATACMS tactical ballistic missile, which has a maximum range of about 150 km. The sy400 rocket uses relay inertial guidance and can also be equipped with a final guidance system which has a high hit accuracy. In addition, it also uses a side strip wing which can provide greater lift for the rocket, allowing it to carry out maneuvering, orbiting flight in the atmosphere, and improves its penetration ability. Therefore, observed sources mostly mention it as short-range precision attack ballistic missile rather than multiple rocket launcher system. Since the sy400 uses a vertical launch system, it can be modularized and match different missiles and rockets as needed. The most commonly integrated one of the BP-12A short-range tactical ballistic missile, which has a length of 6 meters and a diameter of 0.6 meters. It is equipped with a 480 kg warhead and has a range of 280 kilometers. The outside world believes that its range should be further. The guidance system is INS or BDS, and the final guidance can be also be used, and the hit accuracy can reach 30 meters with variable program trajectory and strong potential ability. BP-12A and sy400 can be installed separately on a launch vehicle, and the launch vehicle can be equipped with BP-12A missile launch containers or 8 sy400 rocket launch containers, or a mixture of 1 BP-12 a missile launch container and 4 sy400 rocket launch containers. The outside world generally believes that Myanmar's purchase of sy400 short-range ballistic missile system is to counter the long-range rockets of neighboring countries. The potential opponents of Myanmar are mainly Bangladesh and Thailand. Thailand has introduced WS-1B long-range rocket system from China. Its range can reach 150 kilometers. It has also achieved localization and successfully developed a domestic DTI-1 long-range rocket system. Bangladesh also has plans to purchase long-range rocket launchers from China or Russia. In the way, Myanmar has little power to face the both long-range rocket launchers of both countries, so it bought sy400 ballistic missile systems from China. Myanmar seems to be optimistic about the excellent performance of sy400 ballistic missile system. As mentioned earlier, the range response of sy400 are better than WS-1B. In particular, it can be integrated BP-12, a short-range tactical ballistic missile which can provide Myanmar with ballistic missile attack capabilities in an economical, last and fast way. Southeast Asian countries generally do not have advanced air defense and anti-missile systems and cannot defend against sy400 and BP-12A missile attacks. Therefore, sy400 ballistic missile system has a strong deterrent capability there. This should be the main reason why Myanmar choose sy400 short-range tactical ballistic missile.